Alrighty, folks. Nice and early in the morning. We got our shirts soaking. Sirens wailing. Time to do some tie-dyes. We got a bunch of mediums and what is that?
A medium.
Another medium. So we got 4 mediums. We're running low on our white shirts. We got more on order, but they're not here yet. So we're gonna do a bunch of mediums today while we wait for our other shirts. We've got a good selection of dyes. We made sure everything was good and full. Got baby at the sitter so we can do some proper tie-dyeing.
Yes, child-free.
Yep, no interruptions. Hopefully the GoPro won't overheat too much, but it is hot out here. I guess we'll just have to see what happens, people. But come along for the ride either way. What's this first one gonna be?
Do you want to do one of those bullseye again?
Another off-center bullseye?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down. Whatever you want. You're the big boss lady. You're the one in charge. I'm just the one with the camera. That is a medium? Yeah, it is.
We could try a pleated.
Okay. Plates are good.
Oh, got a hair on it. Okay.
Getting plated up. We like the pleated patterns. That's definitely one of our go-tos. Good old pleats. Definitely want to take your time and take care when forming the pleats. This is what's going to determine how good the shirt looks when it's done. So you want to invest your time here as you see she's doing. Not getting in a hurry, just making sure it comes out good. It's not hard. You just gotta pace yourself. If it doesn't look right, start it over. We do it all the time. If you don't like what you got, do it again. No mistakes, only happy accidents, right?
Absolutely.
Our gloves are way too big, we know. They're extra large. You can't always get what you want when you're ordering gloves. So we had to take what we get. But we got some more of those coming too. We got some more dyes. We got everything coming, man. We're elevating our tie-dye game a little bit, even more. You know, we tend to have this back and forth. We'll elevate the tie-dye, elevate the camera and recording. So this time it's more tie-dye stuff. Next time it'll be more recording stuff, I guess. Hopefully. It's looking really good.
Thank you.
Looking good. I forgot to turn the thermostat on too. We need to put it out here. These giant hawks of flies. Look at that thing. Look at this line there. Oh, he's gone. He's huge. Looking good. Almost got it done. About to be banding time. Don't abandon it. Just band it. With babes. take her concentration and focus. You see how quiet she is, you know she's thinking hard.
There we go. That one's always a little difficult for
I
me.
know. Oh, I know. Look at it. It requires focus. It's not often that the babes is quiet like that.
Okay. So it's kind of hard to get the sleeves, but I usually just put like one.
So you just do one on the sleeves?
Yeah, just to make sure that they stay together. It'll be loose. The point is you
Gotcha.
don't want to. You just want to hold the folds. You don't want to make them so tight the dye can't get down into them.
Right. Because then you're actually making another pattern
Right.
instead of just keeping the one that you just rolled it into or folded it into. I see what you're saying.
So, yes, it's going to be loose, but that's okay. You want that.
I see.
That way, dye can get down in there. I usually just fold them over twice and just snake my way through it.
Being careful not to disturb your previous work.
Yes, I sort of use my thumbs to guide it
That's
down.
good. This is a long one too, man. The pleated looks really good though when it's done because it makes the coolest little like ripple pattern. It's really neat.
Let's see, maybe one
One more.
more. Get this.
Looky there, people.
Okay.
To the dyeing rack we go. What colors are we using on this one?
Let's see.
We got a selection over here.
Let's do maybe, I don't know.
This is just what we filled today too, people. This isn't even all our dyes.
Let's do a little hot pink,
Hot pink.
a little citrus yellow,
Okay. And
maybe a little blue violet.
blue violet. I don't know if we've used that one yet. That'd be cool. First usage. We did turn the faucet off, right?
Want to do this thing?
No, on top.
Yeah.
To the dyeing rack we go. Lip flop. Slide this over to where we're in the sun. Back at it again. GoPro overheated, but we got that taken care of. We'll try to shoot from the shade.
Definitely try to stay.
We'll swap to the iPhone after this one and just go back and forth. When we ever can afford to, we're going to get another GoPro so we can alternate them, but we're too broke for that right now. We're choosing to improve the tie-dye instead of improving the filming at the moment. Because the tie-dye is what we enjoy doing. We just film this just because we would be tie-dyeing these shirts either way. Look at that blue. Oh man, that pops on there. I mean that, what is that?
This is blue violet.
Blue violet. Man. Look at that. Look at that blue violet. Very vibrant. Blue violet.
Yes. I figured it would complement the pink and the yellow really well.
Make sure and talk loud, guys. I can barely hear you. There's so much background noise. We have to train ourselves to yell. That's what good YouTubers do, right? They yell and they use the camera like this. Yeah, not over here, folks. Sorry.
I wanted a cool color with the warm colors. I figured it would give it like almost like a rainbow sunset
Yeah.
almost effect.
Sounds reasonable to me. It certainly looks really cool.
Okay, I think we're ready
For the drying rack.
Yeah.
To the extended stay.
Let me hit it with that hot pink one last time. Just make sure I got it.
Little dollop of that hot pinkage. Since we had to pause, you know, resaturate that pinkage. Get a good gradient on it. That looks really good. Look at that, making that green and the purple. That's gonna be so cool. That's gonna look good. You got some white on the backside over here on the blue. Get that little touch. Yep. Alrighty. Looking good. Looking good. And flop. We almost took it to the rack, but then we remembered we got to do the other side, so. At least I remembered.
You want to really make sure that you get in all the little tiny folds.
You know, we always say, people, if you ain't getting it in the folds, you ain't doing it right. You gotta get in the folds. So, hot pink, some more citrus yellow, and then blue violet. This is our first use of blue violet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't even know if we've used it to mix with before. We've ordered it, we've always been intrigued with using it, but we've yet to mix it till today.
I think it turned out very well.
I do too. Look at that. Oh man. That's gonna look really cool. Now, I think it is actually ready for the extended stay. Flop it on down and we'll revisit it in 24 hours. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.